Hi everyone, this is Adrian Mercado. I'm a financial coach. So today, ang pag-usapan natin is the 3 things that you have to consider before starting your kids' college education fund. So first thing that you have to consider is the budget. Magkano ba yung monthly, quarterly, or annual budget na comfortable kailangan for a educational fund? It is very important to know kasi mamaya kumuha ka ng isang plan then hindi mo pala kayang i-sustain, baka masayang lang yung mga una mong naibayad sa plan. So baka mabaliwala lang siya. So second thing that you have to consider before ka mag-start ng educational plan is for you to identify ano ba yung vehicle na gagamitin mo. When we say vehicle, ano ba yung strategy or financial plan na sisimulan mo? Kasi for educational plan, you can actually start your own strategy. For example, gusto mo mag-invest sa mutual fund,